fan. And this is the great American game.
The revolution's about to be televised. You picked the right time, but the wrong guy.
Bad call, that's flag talk. Fuck around and knock your flag off. I had to. I wore a gap before a tattoo. I had to. As a matter of fact.
Dang, is that Burger King that smell that good?
Yeah.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel, Mac Dr. Bill. But I want to start by saying I thanks and I appreciate every single one of you that have subscribed, like, and comment on the channel. This is a little after I got out of work. That's a little clip from my job that I wanted to share with you guys what I do on an everyday basis. Today, we are working on the EK pickup truck. I've been waiting for this video for a couple weeks. I was waiting on the parts that come in. It was supposed to be 2 weeks ago. After I canceled it, it came in. So with that being said, I'm gonna put you guys on in what type of a time we are today. So let's get it. All right, last time that we was here, we was working on the EK bumper. We installed the Honda Civic 2000 kit fault lights for the bottom. We also installed the CRX side turn lights, the amber ones. So both of these are already installed. The only reason I wasn't putting the bumper right away is because I was waiting on a part that was very important, which I'm going to show you guys today. Something to wrap up the look, to closing this up and give it a final look. Today, once that we install the parts that we're doing, we will be installing it on the EK truck. See what it look like. Long time waiting. So without further ado, let's get it. All right, boys. Beautiful day. Melting a little bit. I know we got more snow coming. However, I'm taking advantage of the day as it is. This is what we got, boys. So what we're looking at is a brand new Type R lip for the front and Type R lip for the rear. This is gonna complete a look in the front bumper and in the back bumper as well. They both brand new. I wanted the Optec with Mugen, but I love the Type R design, which, you know, you got a little bit more of curvatures. If you see, Mugen, it's a little more straight. It will give you that low look. You know, that's what you're looking for. But this is money. I will go for the Type R look. So nothing more, nothing less for the EK truck. So without further waiting, I'm gonna start installing the front bumper. We're gonna remove the back bumper of the EK truck, and then we're gonna sample both bumpers on the truck today. What the parts is looking like and the fitment and the final product, boy. I've been stoked, waiting a long time for this. So with that being said, let's get it. Sweet. All right, boys. So I got my setup pretty much ready. I uncover the EK truck, if you want to say. So I will start working on it. About to get my working bodywork horse bench so I could set the bumpers here as we work on it one by one. All right, I think first we're gonna start with the back bumper. Gonna remove it first. We're gonna install the rear lip, see how it looks. Install it right back, being this over here is closer, and then we do the front, install it, and do a walk around, and trying to see if we could start installing the rear lip on it. So with that being said, let's get it. All right, boys. So I got this little setup here. Open the plastic in front of you guys. This is for 96 2000 Honda EK Coupe. So even though this is a truck, it has to have other parts as if it was a coupe. Just because the fact that there's no parts if you order as a truck, because if you look at underneath a truck, it's not gonna come up. Nothing is gonna appear. So keep it in mind, whether or not it was custom cut to a truck, it's to a regular EK coupe at the end of the day. So again, removing the plastic. Gonna get a relief cut here. Just simply do our thing. Speed up thing. Sorry about the angle, but it should be a fast video. Right, this is what the lip look like. Again, type R lip. For the front and back. Right now we speak, we're working on the back. For those that have been coming to the channel, looking at the video we're filming. So something like that. I have to estimate whereabouts. Start bolting it in place. And yeah. See what it looks like. Most of the time we have to install this with 3M tape. I don't have any 3M tape, so we're gonna send it with what I have. Hopefully it'll look good. So with that being said, let's get it. Right, so normally I have my grill. I don't know where it's at right now. It's getting dark on me. It's supposed to be a quick video. I'm excited to throw this on. So I'm gonna do it the old-fashioned way, by hand. So I'm trying to get this button up in place, more like where it's gonna go at, and we'll see from there how things will look like. So we got this. For the time being, I put one inside. I'm gonna proceed to the other side. 2 screws here, 1 more to go. Again, not liking the way this lip is. Like, we got fitment issues, but we're gonna get some 3M tape, take it afterwards when it gets warmer. We still gotta paint the bumper, so in the future the lip will get 3M tape and then reinstall with the screws like they come from factory. All right, rear lip is installed. Again, fitment wise, like over here is good in this side. The other side might bubble out a little bit. Is the way the lip it is. Can't really do much. Following the same design, the same pattern from beginning to the end, the way it mounts. So yeah, not much we could do. Just carry on. Let you guys see what I'm talking about, the gap fitment. If I had tape, see how I press down, I could have closed here and closer, but I'm not worried about it. In the future we could put the 3M tape, like I said, get it wrapped around with some heat, probably expose it in the sun would wrap around. Overall, lip is installed. I don't want to mess with this lip too much over here because it's starting like the mark, if you guys see. Sometimes that's from like overstretching. So yeah, we're gonna install the front one so we could throw the bumpers on and see what it look like. The back, aka rear, is done. So I'm gonna show you guys here. Nobody says that I'm hiding anything. That's what the lip is gonna look like. It's not gonna fall, you know, go anywhere. I wish I had the 3M tape, as I said. All right, boys, same approach to the front bumper. Have to reinstall it. I'm gonna turn around, flip it, so we can install it properly. Taking my time. So yeah, put you guys in a little time lapse and get installed. Let's get it. All right, boys, so I have this one in place as well. It's a matter of just tightening it up like we did with the other one. This one, however, got a few more screws to like hold it in place, so that's what I'm gonna do. Put the first two that holds it, if you want to call it pilot screws or whatever. That's what we're gonna do. Those two over here secure, but first I'm gonna secure the ones on the outer so it does not move. Yeah, hang on with me. I'll go around the other side and we get this installed. Alright, boys, so I got a measurement over here where they're gonna go at. So I'm gonna go base to this first one here and screw it on. And it's a little harder because you're fighting one corner to grab the other one, but you got it tied up. Nothing is overstretched, nothing is cracking, everything seems to be good. We got two more screws that we're gonna proceed to put over here in the bottom, like I said, so this not go anywhere. And this install is done. We use a little cell toppers over here that's faster than us. But overall, this is in place. They looking money. So, like that it says, it's safe to put back. Alright, like I said, 2 more safety screws. And the front lip is done. I added this too. This is the one that was supposed to put. Everything's in place. Everything is on. And the rock and roll and install the front and back bumper. It sure is looking good already, boys. Can't wait. Boys, so I got the back bumper with the lip on. Again, I'm gonna show you guys. I will use the 3M tape. This size, they're always weak, you know what I'm saying? So it's bound to crack here, no matter what you do. So not this broken. I just pointing that out. Most people won't point that out because they want to look perfect in video. So it is what it is. But overall, bumper fitment is on, ready to install. So with that being said, let's get it. Alright, boys, the EK truck is finally done. I wish I could have it someplace with the pavement doesn't take away from it. But overall, you guys see the look of the lip wrapping up with the fog lights and the turn, the sight markers, how it wraps around with the side skirts on the side, which I might just paint those black in the future to kind of just go along with the theme in the whole bottom. If not, we color match the front. For right now, it's staying like that. Check it out. Once we clean up the bumper a little bit, get rid of this bracket, cleaned up this overspray. Should look at money. Fact that I like Type R is just that one design that you see guys how it just cuts right up a little bit so it gets the definition, you know what I mean? The Mugen would have looked dope, but with the Mugen would have been too low, and I'm gonna be barely touching more, so I'm trying to be even as far as design and shapes, you know what I'm saying? But I'm stoked, boys. Shit, look fire. Definitely complete the look, along with the flares. Now the back bumper as well, with the back lip on. So it looks so good. Again, we still gotta tie it up. Like you see, it just come down because it needs that 3M tape that holds it in place. However, not too bad. We still got work to do in the truck. So the lips got to come up again from the front and the back before we paint it. Yes. Then we could proceed to put that 3M tape. How it looks. Whole back ties up real good. Then your fault light. The tailgate being finished. Truck is pretty much close to finish. I got a little body work here in the future that I gotta do on that quarter panel and a little on the other side. That's it body work wise that I have to go off camera on little things that I hate seeing there. That's about it. But fabrication wise, from cutting it to making it a ute truck to making the rails to making the back with the window and all of that is finished. The back of the tailgate is finished. The back bumper, from making a custom to make it drop and mimic a pickup bumper, is finished. The light on the back, the turn light brake light is on, is finished. Front bumper the same. It's been full fabricated and custom. We got 2000 Civic fog light kits for the bottom. We have the 91 CRS side turners, amber color. They looking money. I like how the purple stands out, brings out the wheels a little bit. So thing that we have to do little by little. We'll get in there, boys. Definitely get in there. Now in the future we could proceed to clean up the inside. I gotta start acquiring some parts for the inside, like the panels, whatever we're missing, the radio baffle, see what we're gonna do for chairs and start making the inside custom. And yeah, as far as fabricating the truck is done, boys. We got 107,000 miles original on this EK. Factory miles. I know it doesn't look it. It's a factory odometer on it. Shit look good, boys. Alright, check it out. This is the view that I want to see from the side. You guys see how it's dropped over here? See if I could zoom in. Yep. Yeah, see how much drop it is here. Then we got this side skirt. That's the look I was looking for. So we get in there. Hell yeah. She is looking like something, boys. EK looking like something. Every time I'm cover, people stop here and they're like, yo, you did that? What's this, that? They swear that it came like that. It's an old school Civic. They do not know there's a 99 EK cut up and turned into a U truck. So that's pretty dope. Looking money. Alright, boys. We're gonna call it a wrap in this part. It's getting dark. Have a crow invasion in my backyard. They going wow. Anytime they're out here like this, that means that bad weather's coming. They usually sit in dumb trees and chill. So that's that time for me to wrap it up, cover the EK, and just cut it a date. Alright, boys.